Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and today I'll show you my full Ever After High, Monster High and custom doll collection. I also filmed a Disney doll collection, so if you're interested, make sure to check that out as well. First off is my signature apple white that I rerooted some lowlights in, and my royally Ever After apple white. Then I have Fantastic Briar Beauty in her original signature outfit, Reboot Madeline and Signature Madeline Heather, my signature Raven Queen and San Diego Comic-Con Raven Queen, signature Ashley and Ella, signature Blondie Locks, signature Lizzie Hearts, and signature Cerise that I rerooted to get her bangs out, signature CA Cupid that was rerooted by Denisa Madrano, Holly O'Hare and a rerooted Poppy O'Hare, Cedar Wood that I did a lip repaint video on, Way to Wonderland Kitty Cheshire in her signature outfit, Gingerbread House that I rerooted in red hair, Courtly Jester from Way to Wonderland, signature Duchess Swan that I rerooted to have more white hair, Darling Charming, for a Good Fairy that I did a reroot on. From the Dragon Game special, I have Mira Shards and Dearla. I have signature Melody Piper rerooted to get her bangs out. I have signature Fable Thorn, Rosabella Beauty that I cut bangs on, Crystal Winter from the Epic Winter special, Justine Dancer, signature Jillian Beanstalk, signature Nina Thumbell, signature Michelle Mermaid that I've rerooted in long pink hair and whose eyebrows I repainted to match her hair. I'm actually doing a Michelle Mermaid giveaway right now, so if you want to know how to win her, make sure to watch my giveaway video. Then I also have the Date Night 2-pack of Bunny Blanc and Alistair Wonderland. And I rerooted Bunny Blanc to get her bangs out and give her longer hair. From Monster High, I have a rerooted Claudine Wolf from the Shriek Rack line, and a 13 Wishes Gigi Grant. I also have the 17-inch Calliope Jellington that I recently made this wig for. This doll is kind of my experimentation doll, since it was my very first reroot and repaint. I also have this Bunny Blanc that I rerooted using real human hair. Then I have this Ombre reroot, and my side cut Kitty Cheshire. I also have this repainted Cleo the Nile doll, which was a reroot I won in a giveaway. And this rerooted and repainted Howling Wolf doll that I won in a giveaway as well. If you want to stay up to date of my collection, you can also follow me on Jammer, which is an app on which you can showcase your collections and look at other people's collections. This app really gives you a great overview of all the dolls I have collected so far, and keeps you up to date on any new items I will add to my collection. I really like this app, and if you want to join me on it, make sure to use the link in my description, which will also enter you in a giveaway to win a Michelle Mermaid or Ariel doll, if you join me before the 2nd of April. If you want to know more details about the giveaway, make sure to watch my giveaway video. I really hope you liked my collection. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below which doll was your favorite, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more pictures of my dolls, make sure to follow me on Instagram @TheDollBoy. See you next time!